Amazon headwater behind me, and a lot of new apartment around me. We are here in the nature, in the heart of the city. People don't have idea about gardening, and when they meet me, they become fall in love with garden. We have the Bebot community garden. I am the longest gardener here from 1999. When we have a potluck party, they name me the salad man. I go to the garden, I collect all the salad and herb. I make a big bowl of red salad, a really big bowl. And when I get home, my big bowl is empty. Thank you, garden. The saying, down to earth, right? We lay down and you feel you connect with the earth. I use the garden as a way to meditation. A lot of gardeners, they contribute to the garden so others can enjoy together. And I don't have enough words to say thank you. I just say gratitude, with gratitude.